Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy Zeus the Entertainer back in front of the camera again to entertain you suckers with another video. We got another one by that boy Chief Sosa called Sneeze. We're gonna check this out and see what it's hitting for, guys. So with that said, let's do it.
He think it's vanilla. Dirty shot, 4-5, him on Louis swell. Cooler than a fan, this bitch think that I'm a sweater. She says I look up to you, pussy boy, you better. If you ain't smoking OG, I don't want your weed. Like a thotty on her period, I make a nigga bleed. She for cattle blood, throwing seeds, throwing bees. How this clock up and bless you like he care about your sleeves. This chopper like some waste, I ain't bench pressing. Got F&H up in the club and I got Smith & Wesson. I don't really like Smith & Wesson, got Glock, boy. If he decide to knock you down, use an op, boy. Pulled up in that other thing, it got teeth on it. They like, what the fuck's a feature, ain't got KEEF on it. This bitch wanna roll some weed, put some KEEF on it. At the top, hanging off the clouds, yeah, my sleeves on it. If you looking for me, I'm probably in New Orleans. With the 504 boys, no Levi jeans.
504 boys.
It's a 223 chopper, that's what KEEF will bring. Chopper in the chopper form, he think it's vanilla. Dirty shot, 4-5, him on Louis swell. Cooler than a fan, this bitch think that I'm a sweater. She says I look up to you, pussy boy, you better. If you ain't smoking OG, I don't want your weed. Like a thotty on her period, I make a nigga bleed. She for chopping blood, throwing seeds, throwing bees. How this clock up and bless you like he care about your sleeves. Oh, this body sneeze, get you. Come through and knock down your partner, I mean to pop you. Like we was shooting some craps, I mean to spot you. Use a goofy to the audience, no need to club you. I got plenty bleed bones, like a cattleman. Big bobbing in the party, that's Keith Hammer dance. You can put me at the back and I'm still gonna.
I said these songs gave you like Sorry for the Wait feels. This give me a what's that song? I mean that album. I can't think of it right now. Oh. Well, there you have it, Sneeze by that boy Sosa, man. I can't even think of the name of the album. Can I think of a name? The song that he did a freestyle on called Stuntin' Like My Mama. If y'all can think of what album that was, that's what the feel of this album. I mean, these three songs I just did give me the feel of. I said it was Sorry for the Wait feel, like a vibe, that's what it give me, but it's not that, it's that one. So if y'all know what album I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below. It's probably going to come to me as soon as I end this video, and it's going to be like, damn, bro, you know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Zeus the Entertainer, man. Thank y'all for watching the videos and subscribing to the channel, man. More videos on the way, so be on the lookout for that. It's your boy Zeus, and I'm out, man. Love y'all.